Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, dear students. My name is Saima Shahid and I welcome you all for the 6th lecture of Mathematics for class 10th. Students, you all know that we are on the unit number 1 of quadratic equation. In our previous lecture, we started the topic of equation reducible to quadratic form and we discussed the type 1 of the reducible equation. Type 1 of the reducible equations are the equations which are in the form a into x raised to power 2n plus b into x raised to power n plus c equals to 0. Now today we again continue with the topic equation reducible to the quadratic form and we will discuss today type 2 and type 3 of reducible equations. Let's first see the type 2 of the reducible equation. These equations are of the type a into p of x plus b over p of x equals to c. Students, here p of x is a polynomial in the variable x. In this type of equations, for substitutions, we put p of x equals to y and get the given equation reduced to the quadratic equation in y. Students, if I put p of x equals to y in the equation, my equation becomes a into y plus b over y equals to c. Now we have y in the denominator and for vanishing it, we multiplied both sides by y. And when we multiply both sides with y, our equation becomes a into y square plus b equals to cy. After shifting cy on the other side of the equality sign, our equation will be the general form of the quadratic equation. Now students, we will start the question number 6 of exercise 1.3. Question is 2 into x raised to power 2 plus 1 plus 3 over 2 into x raised to power 2 plus 1 equals to 4. This is a type 2 of the reducible equation. Students, before starting the solution of this equation, let's say that our given equation is equation number 1. Now we have to put the substitution. So put 2 into x square plus 1 equals to y in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes y plus 3 over y equals to 4. Now students, we have to multiply the both sides of the equation with y. After multiplying with y, the equation becomes y square plus 3 equals to 4y. Now this 4y is shifting on the other side of equality sign. So equation becomes y square minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic equation. For the solution of this general quadratic equation, students, here I am going to use the formula of the quadratic equation, that is y is equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now student, in the equation y square minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to 1. When we put these values in the quadratic formula, our equation becomes y equals to minus into minus 4 plus minus under the root minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 3 over 2 into 1. Further, when we solve it, it becomes y is equals to 4 because minus and minus give us the positive answer. So it is plus 4 plus minus under the root 16 minus 4 square is 16 and 4 into 3 gives us 12. So y is equals to 4 plus minus under the root 16 minus 12 over 2. Students, when we further simplify it, our answer is y is equals to 4 plus minus 2 over 2. 16 minus 12 gives us answer 4 and 4 is a perfect square of 2. Now once we have to write down our equation with the plus sign and once with the minus sign. After that, the value of y is equals to 1 or y is equals to 3. But students, in beginning of our question we said that 2x square plus 1 equals to y. So here we will put 2x square plus 1 equals to 1 or 2x raised to power 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Now when we solve it, we have 2x square plus 1 and minus 1 equals to 0, or 2x square plus 1 minus 3 equals to 0. Further, after simplification, we get 2 into x square equals to 0, or 2x square minus 2 equals to 0. Now students, when we solve 2x square equals to 0, we will get x equals to 0, or when we solve the other equation, we will have 2x square equals to 2. Further, when we solve it, then 2 will be shifted the other side of the equality sign, so x square equals to 1. And further, when we will solve x, then we will get x equals to plus minus 1 after taking the square root of the both sides. So students, the solution set of our given equation is 0, 1 and minus 1. Now students, type 3 of the reducible equations. Type 3 of the reducible equations are called the reciprocal equations. The definition of reciprocal equations is: an equation is said to be a reciprocal equation if it remains unchanged when x is replaced by 1 over x. These are the type of the equation: a into x square plus 1 over x square plus b into x plus 1 over x plus c equals to 0, or they are written in the form a into x raised to power 4 plus b into x raised to power 3 plus c into x raised to power 2 plus bx plus a equals to 0. Now for the explanation of the definition, let's take the equation a, that is a x raised to power 4 plus b into x raised to power 3 plus c into x raised to power 2 plus bx plus a equals to 0. According to the definition, let's replace x by 1 over x in this equation. After replacing x by 1 over x, the equation can be written in this form. When we simplify it, equation becomes a over x raised to power 4 plus b over x raised to power cube plus c over x raised to power 2 plus b over x plus a equals to 0. For the simplification of this equation, students, we have to take the LCM of the denominator, and here the denominator have LCM equals to x raised to power 4. So multiply the whole equation with the x raised to power 4, which is the LCM of the denominator. After multiplying it, equation becomes a plus bx plus cx raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 3 plus a into x raised to power 4 equals to 0. Now students, you can observe here that this is the same equation which we have in the beginning of our solution. Now students, we will discuss the question number 10 of exercise 1.3, that is x raised to power 4 minus 2 into x raised to power cube minus 2 into x raised to power 2 plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. This is an example of reciprocal equation. For solving these equations, students, the first step is this, that we will divide the each term of this equation by x square. After dividing the each term by x square, equation can be written in this form. And when we further simplify and do the cancelling, our equation becomes x square minus 2x minus 2 plus 2 over x plus 1 over x square equals to 0. Now students, we will make some groups here. We will write down x square with plus 1 over x square, and we will write down minus 2x with plus 2 over x. So our equation becomes x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 into x minus 1 over x minus 2 equals to 0. Let's say this equation is equation number 1. Then in this equation number 1, let's say x minus 1 over x is equals to y. Then after taking square of the both side, equation becomes x minus 1 over x square equals to y square, and when we open the square here, equation becomes x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 into x into 1 over x equals to y square. Students, here we apply the formula of a minus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now further, when we simplify this equation, x will be cut down with this x, and equation becomes x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 equals to y square. And we shift this minus 2 on the other side of equality sign. So x square plus 1 over x square is equals to y plus 2. Now students, remember this is our substitution. We said that x minus 1 over x is equals to y and x square plus 1 over x square equals to y square plus 2. By putting this substitution in equation 1 becomes y square plus 2 minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Now students, this plus 2 will be cancelled out with this minus 2. So the answer will be 0. Our equation becomes y square minus 2y equals to 0. Then we will take the common y and our equation becomes y into y minus 2 equals to 0. Now as you know that the product of these two terms is equals to 0. So either we will going to write that y is equals to 0 or y minus 2 equals to 0. From here y is equals to 0 is a one value of the y and the other value is y equals to 2. Now but we said in our substitution that x minus 1 over x is equals to y. So students, here we have to put x minus 1 over x equals to 0 or x minus 1 over x is equals to 2. Now students, first we will solve the equation x minus 1 over x equals to 0. When we solve x minus 1 over x, our equation becomes x square minus 1 over x equals to 0. When this x will be shifted on the other side of equality sign, equation becomes x square minus 1 equals to 0. Here we are going to apply the formula of a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So x square minus 1 can be written in the form of x minus 1 into x plus 1 equals to 0. Now as the product of these two terms are equals to 0, so either x minus 1 is equals to 0 or x plus 1 is equals to 0. From here x is equals to 1 or x is equals to minus 1. Now students, we will solve the other part, that is x minus 1 over x equals to 2. Here again when we simplify x minus 1 over x, equation becomes x square minus 1 over x equals to 2. This x is going to be multiplied with this 2, so equation becomes x square minus 1 equals to 2x. Now this 2x shifted on the other side of equality sign, so it becomes x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. This is a general form of the quadratic equation. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to minus 1. Students, here I am going to apply the quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now I will put the value of a, b and c here. So x is equals to 2 plus minus under the root minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 over 2a, that is 2 into 1. So further x is equals to 2 plus minus under the root 4 plus 4 over 2. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 and 8 can be written in the form of 2 under the root 2. So x is equals to 2 plus minus 2 under the root 2 over 2. Take common from these two terms 2 and equation becomes 2 into 1 plus minus under the root 2 over 2, that is equal to 1 plus minus under the root 2. Now students, in the end our final solution set of the equation is minus 1 1 and 1 plus minus under the root 2. Students, today's task is to complete your exercise 1.3 up to the question number 11. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.